My name is Bola Jakunwe. I'm a product designer and I am a webflow developer. And in today's video, I just want to walk us through one of my inspirational board. Basically, most of the time, as a designer, as a product designer, you have to be creative. You have to go outside the box, think outside the box. So I have a lot of inspirational board that I use. So, and just for today, I just want to walk us through one of them, which is Spotify. Yes, it depends on the product you're working on. It depends on the audience that you want to target for your clients. That will determine the kind of research you will go into. But I want to tell you that because you're working on a fintech product does not mean that you cannot explore a social media industry content like for research or something. You have to be creative. Yeah, and most of these days, the audience you are targeting matters a lot, and the market. So you have to let your client products stay out of the market, and to give them the best, so that it will retain the customer for them. They make more money, and in return, you have great feedback that you're a great developer or a great product designer. So let's go to Spotify. Spotify. When I enter Spotify, to just take me to the play station, like you have to play the songs and all. But I won't lie to you. If you want to really explore Spotify websites, just scroll down, go to the footer. Let's start from the about us. Let's explore some few pages here. Basically, what you can see here is just test and structure of the content. Test. Don't mind my image up here. My friend took this picture during my NYC. I actually turned it to a sticker. So yeah, so let's go to the job board. The job. So you see, just to look at the settings and all. You see these movements. It's kind of interaction is nice. See the cards, the left side, we have the image, we have the heading here. We have the heading here, we have the body, the paragraph here, and we have the button. Very simple. No noise. See, just see what happened there. Jesus Christ. Oh, I love this. No. Yeah. See, they actually turned each job to card, right? Great one. Should we explore this? You can explore it. Yeah. But let's move on. Here, there, everywhere. See your location. This is so nice. So when I hover on any of these marquee infinite movements, it is stop. Great, amazing. It will stop. Nice one. I should drag it to here. Hey, I already clicked on it. See me. No. Oh, nice one. Drag. Nice one. So you see now, Spotify it's like, and the company is into entertainment industry and all. So they play with vibrant color, not noisy, but something that's like very drawing the attention. Very nice. So you can see the FAQ. No quick links. Actually, sounds good. You see. Let's go to the design page. I actually love that design page. See now, they play with colors a lot. Great colors. Like sometimes this color palettes generator or something. I think I'm not a big fan of using color generator for my work. I used to take a different route for my own. I can come to a particular website that I like their settings. I love the way they use their typography, their colors. It's not that I want to steal the colors. No, I did not. I will just look at it, see the color, the tone, and everything. I can take the I have the I have a Chrome extension here, color sealer here. I just pick the color like this one. I can pick the color. If I click on it, it will copy to my clipboard. So I'll just go to Figma, place it there. I will see how I can play around that color, the shades of that color with the product I'm working on. I can take like 4 to 3 colors here and play around it if it will go with the product I'm working on. And that's how I pick my own colors. So no stress. So I pick my color based on the existing product and play around it with the product I'm working on. Just to iterate on it. Look at this card there. The two middle cards are short, left and right. See the settings. Very inspiring. See the inspiration. You are picking something here. You are picking something. And if you notice, the cards and the tags they use here, they don't have radius. The appearance here, the radius, they cut it off. They are looking serious here. What's the name of this page? Design. It's looking serious and she's giving it down. Nice aesthetic. They actually play with colors to give the vibe. Like that nice vibe, yeah. Oh, this is great. This is great. See the settings. Like you feel like you want to scroll more, you want to see more. You won't stop. Spotify is very great. It's very, very great. So we're only exploring few things. You can explore more than this. Explore more than this. Let's explore. Let's click on one of these cards. Spotify Design 7. See the way they use the typography here. Image, no noise there. Noted. That's Spotify Design 07, February 2023. Copy link. I want to share it. See, something here. See this side there. What happened there? Do we have alignment issue or what? Oh, okay. I'm not saying that, but I think so. Maybe it just probably alignment issue. Yeah, it shouldn't be. Yeah, this shouldn't be. This shouldn't be at all. Yeah, it happens. So let's go. Oh, I think they did that purposely. Oh, purposely. Yeah, I think it's purposely. Look at this. The center that line this text, and the left align the body, which is nice. The best way to read it, yes. I'm thinking you should have just made it left align. Okay, let's go. Oh, carbon board. Yeah, this is so nice. This is so nice. So guys, come to Spotify, look at their website, go to the footer parts and explore. Look at the way they've set things down, the use of colors, the use of typography, the entire layout. It will inspire you whenever you are building a product related to entertainment industry, or you want to pick a color to use, you don't know how to go about it, you've used color generator, and it's giving you this kind of, you are not making progress with the product you are working on. So just work on existing products, go to their website. We only explore Spotify. Google Music is there, Apple Music rather. Yeah, and we have AudioMac, we have I forgot most of them, sure. And just explore online. So yeah, so I think we've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe, and as well, don't forget to follow me on social. And again, I would love to hear from you guys. If you have any video suggestion that you want us to like work on, be it design, be it no code tool, using Webflow, just comment down below and we'll work around it. Thank you.